Welcome to Maams Medical. Today, we explore the Caesarean section, also known as a C-section, is a surgical procedure where an incision is made in a woman's abdomen and uterus to deliver a baby. While some C-sections are planned, others become necessary once labor begins. If certain complications arise that make vaginal delivery unsafe for the mother or baby, doctors don't hesitate. They go straight for a C-section. No way. You see, one of the most common reasons for a C-section is dystocia.
This video is presented by Ghulam Farooq Malla, an AI technologist and educator dedicated to transforming medical education with the power of artificial intelligence. As the founder of 3 medical channels with a vast library of over 400 medical videos, he is committed to making medical knowledge more accessible, interactive, and AI-driven. Every piece of content in this video is sourced from authentic medical literature and carefully verified by experienced medical professionals, ensuring accuracy and reliability you can trust. And here's what makes this even more incredible. This 3D content is developed using Digital Human, an AI-powered 3D medical visualization tool that brings medical concepts to life like never before. Mr. Farooq also serves as a chief executive of AI Tools Port, Pakistan, leading the charge in AI-powered education and innovation. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with your medical community and let's revolutionize medical learning, together with the power of AI.
This happens when the uterine wall too soon or the umbilical cord gets compressed. The baby could be in serious danger. Crazy, right? And here's something to think about. Other conditions that might call for a C-section include multiple births, twins, triplets, and more. Large tumors in the uterus, maternal infections like genital herpes, or illnesses such as uncontrolled diabetes or hypertension. Guess what? Doctors use C-section is the safest option. Pretty cool, huh? Now, here's the most exciting part. Maams Medical trusts that this video has provided you with valuable insights. Have thoughts to share? Drop your feedback in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Enjoyed the content? Show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with your peers. Want more AI-powered medical insights? Subscribe and tap the bell icon to receive instant updates. Your engagement fuels our mission to revolutionize medical education with AI. What topics should we cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Your input shapes our future content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video with your chosen topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.